Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Sagittarius moon sign people, the Sagittarius ascendant people. I'm gonna tell y'all how your month of February 2021 would be. At the starting of the month, in your second house, I mean from your moon sign or from your ascendant, there will be 4 planets plus Pluto. The 4 planets would be Saturn, Jupiter, Venus and Sun. In your third house, there will be Mercury. In your fifth house, there will be Mars. In your sixth house, there will be Rahu. And in your 12th house, there will be Ketu. At the starting of the month, Moon will be in your ninth house. So, this is the planetary position you will be seeing at the starting of the month. Well, Sagittarius moon sign, Sagittarius ascendant people, seeing the planetary position, I want to tell y'all something today. I want to tell y'all that y'all might not be confident at the starting of this month. You might be feeling despondent with life. You might have given up on yourself. But let me tell y'all that if you are thinking that this is the end for y'all, you are mistaken. On the contrary, I want to tell y'all that this month, February 2021, could be that month where you could see some twist in your life. I mean, a twist in your life for the better, for something positive. So, don't give up on yourself. Don't be disheartened or dejected if you have experienced any sort of setbacks in life until now. You see, as somebody rightly said, that a setback is a setup for comeback. So, you can come back in the month of February 2021. I mean, you can bounce back in life in the month of 2021. Though, it may just give you a slight indication that things are beginning to change for the better. But I'd suggest you all to continue fighting in life from this month onwards. I mean, things may not change drastically for you, but you could see some sort of light at the end of the tunnel. So, my suggestion to you all would be, don't give up on yourself. Don't think that this is the end for you. In fact, this could be the starting of something brighter, newer and better for you. So hold on to your ideas and plans and keep working on them. I think it wouldn't be a great idea for y'all to give up on yourself when the finish line is very near. I mean that you are very near to seeing things manifesting in your life. Well, Sagittarius moon sign, Sagittarius ascendant people, here's something else for y'all. I want to tell y'all that I make a very special amulet, a very special locket, a very special pendant for all you Sagittarius sign people. Well, if you wear this amulet, this locket, I want to tell y'all that you will see a lot of money in your life. You will experience success and prosperity in your life. You will be filled with positivity in life. You will experience peace, tranquility and calmness in your life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, then this particular amulet will give you the strength to get up once again and run towards your success. And not only this, if you have been facing any sort of troubles, any sort of difficulties, any sort of problems, any sort of miseries, any sort of predicaments, any sort of ordeals, any sort of hurdles and obstacles in life, then this particular amulet will help you to overcome those with ease. Well, this amulet, this locket is a godly amulet. It is a religious amulet, and this particular amulet can be worn by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God in this universe, and the God which I am talking about, He has made this universe and several other universes and all the things in it. We may call that God by different names. We might have given different names to that God, but my personal belief is that there is only one superpower who is ruling this universe and several other universes. Hence, my point is that this particular amulet can be worn by any person of any religion, because we are all worshipping that one God, that one superpower who is loving, caring, and protecting us. Well, now let me start my predictions for the month of February 2021. I'd like to start predicting about people who are doing a job. Well, if you are doing a job, then let me tell y'all that this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all, as you will see your bosses and superiors getting annoyed with you. It could be for any reason. It could be for a very trivial reason. This friction between you and your bosses can turn very sour. It can turn into something very terrible for you. I mean, this could be the reason of you losing your job in the future. So, in this particular month, I tell you all to be very discreet with your bosses and superiors. Do not get into any sort of argument, any sort of debates with your bosses. And whatever they tell you to do, please listen to them and continue working. My suggestion to y'all would be talk less and work more this month. Well, for business people, this month is gonna be a good month for y'all, as you will see some new customers getting added to the existing list of your customers. You will see your business growing in the month of February 2021. If there are some pending orders in the pipeline, then you will see those orders getting placed on your company this month. I'd suggest you all to focus on your current business at this moment and do not try to start a new business at this point in time, as it is not very favorable for y'all to start a new business at this point in time. Though you could think of expanding your business this month. Well, on the health front, I want to tell you all that this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all, as people who are already having a chronic disease, they might see their health deteriorating this month. They will experience some serious problems with their health this month. I'd suggest you all not to stress yourself, not to overthink this month, because if you do so, then this could trigger your bad health. The parts of the body, the organs of the body which you need to take care of this month is your kidneys, your pancreas, your bones, your eyes, and your teeth. If you face any sort of problems regarding this, please go to your doctor immediately. Well, for married people, this month is gonna be a very good month for y'all, as you will see your spouse supporting you mentally, emotionally, and physically this month. You and your spouse are gonna work in tandem to uplift your family. Y'all are gonna make sure that all the needs of your family members are met this month, and your family is gonna be very appreciative of your efforts. There will be complete harmony between you and your spouse this month, and your bond with your spouse is gonna get stronger from this month onwards. Well, for people who are in love, this month is gonna be a great month for y'all, as you will be enjoying a lot with your love partner this month. Your love partner is gonna make you comfortable mentally and emotionally this month, and there is a strong possibility of your love partner proposing you this month, or it could be vice versa. There are going to be certain events this month which y'all will remember all your life. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a great month for y'all as well, as you will have complete focus and attention on your studies this month. The subjects which you were not able to grasp, understand, comprehend earlier, then in this month you will see that you will be able to learn those subjects very well. The only source of disturbance for y'all would be the opposite sex. I'd suggest y'all to refrain from indulging yourself with the opposite sex, as this may disturb your studies in this month of February 2021. Well, for people who are in the stock market, let me tell y'all that if you are getting any sort of profits from the stock market this month, I'd suggest you all to take that money off the table and do not try to make any sort of fresh investments this month, as it may not be a great month for you to invest in the stock market. Well, if it is compulsory for y'all to invest in the stock market, then I'd suggest y'all use your brains, your ideas, instead of taking suggestions from others. This would be a better strategy for y'all to make investments in the stock market. Well, for people who want to gamble in the stock market or somewhere else, I'd suggest y'all not to do so. Well, for people who are in debt, I want to tell y'all that during this month, you will find resources and money to pay for the monthly installments of those loans or those EMIs. You'll be in a great position to pay your loan installments, your EMIs on time this month, as you will see your income rising at this moment. But if you wish to take a fresh loan or pay something through your credit card, then I'd suggest you all not to do so, because later on it will become very difficult for you to pay for this loan, these EMIs. Well, this pretty much completes my predictions for the month of February 2021. If you want specific predictions, then you can contact me directly. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. And besides that, if you want to earn a lot of money in your life, if you want to experience success and prosperity in your life, if you want peace, tranquility, and calmness in your life, if you want to be filled with positivity in life, and you are hell bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great month ahead. God bless y'all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.